How to update your name servers at iPage. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through iPage and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's nameserver settings. Click the Login link in the upper right of this home page to log in to your account. Log in with your username and password. Click the Edit Domains shortcut on the right side. Select the domain name you wish to manage. Then click Nameservers. Click to use different name servers, enter your new name servers, then click Save. That's it! The domain name's name servers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's name server settings at iPage.